So we have this situation. In this part, we have to integrate quadratic by biquadratic, correct? So you know that while dealing with this situation, on numerator we expect x square plus or minus 1 upon x power 4 plus kx square, okay, kx square plus 1, and we have this situation over here as well. So what is the step 1? Step 1 is to divide numerator and denominator by x square, correct? So let's do it. So we will have 1 plus 1 by x square, and then we have x square plus 1 by x square plus 7 dx, correct? Now look at the numerator. If you will observe the numerator, we have 1 plus 1 by x square. So you know that numerator is the differentiation of something, and we must take z as x plus or minus 1 by x, correct? In this case, what we have to do? We have to take minus, because in this case only you will differentiate and you will get this thing dz by dx equals to 1 plus 1 by x square. Look at this. Now you have created the denominator thing. So dz is equal to 1 plus 1 by x square dx, correct? Now look at this. Now replace the entity. So you know that you don't have any problem with the numerator. You have already simplified that thing. Now you have to convert x square plus 1 by x square into x minus 1 by x, correct? So we will be writing x minus 1 by x whole square and then plus 2. So plus 2 plus 7 dx, correct? Now we will be applying the substitution. So substitution is what? Dz by z square plus 3 square. Okay, now do you remember that we have to integrate this function where we have dx by a square plus x square. You know that it is without root. So if it is without root, है ना, we used to think whether it is comfortable or not. So you can connect this with dx by 1 plus x square. So if it is comfortable, you will be applying 1 by a, and if you are not comfortable, you will be applying 1 by 2a. And you know that you are comfortable, this means you will be using this help, you will be taking help of this formula which tells you of tan inverse x. So it is tan inverse x by a plus c, correct? Now can I write this thing as the same thing? We have 1 by 3 tan inverse z by 3 plus c. You know that they have given you question in terms of x, so you should answer in terms of x as well. So you have to replace this z. So we have 1 by 3 tan inverse, and who is the z? Z is x minus 1 by x by 3 plus integrating constant c. So this is the answer. Okay, I hope this question is clear now. Okay, we have similar question to this one. Look at this. Okay, you know that while dealing with these kind of question, we should have x square plus or minus 1 upon x power 4 plus kx square plus 1, then only we can integrate, correct? Now, and we have this thing over here. So how we will manage? we will divide numerator and denominator by x square, correct? So just update the question. So if you'll update, you will have what? 1 plus 1 by x square. Now x square plus 1 by x square plus 1 dx, correct? Now you know that you will be taking help of x plus or minus 1 by x, but you have to make sure that you will take only that thing as z, to which if you'll differentiate you will get the numerator, correct? So what we will do, we will take help of minus, then only we will have plus in differentiation. So it is dz by dx equals 1 plus 1 by x square, correct? Now you can manipulate things. First, just write down this thing in simplified form. So 1 plus 1 by x square. Now you have to write down this x square plus 1 by x square in terms of this. So how we will do that? Look at this. We will be writing x minus 1 by x, okay, then whole square plus 2 plus 1 dx, correct? Now you can apply the substitution thing. So if we will substitute, you will be having dz by z square plus 3. You know that we used to connect with a square plus b square. So can I write root 3 square? And look at this. This is a something square plus or minus something square in the denominator without root. So we used to think about dx by a square plus x square. Now have you seen this kind of formula? Yes, we have seen it when we have this situation. So this means you are comfortable. If you are comfortable, you will be writing 1 by a. If you are not comfortable, you will be writing 1 by 2a. And this formula reminds you of this, which is integration of tan inverse x. So you will be using the same idea, tan inverse x by a plus integration constant c. Now you can write down this thing as 1 by root 3 tan inverse z by root 3 plus integration constant c. You know that they have asked you question in terms of x. So you should answer in terms of x. So let's write down this thing. So 1 by root 3 tan inverse x was z, that was x minus 1 by x upon root 3 plus integration constant c. So this is the answer for this question. I hope the idea is clear and you guys are connecting those idea with the question. Now pretend again. Look at this question. So you know that we have biquadratic, sense of biquadratic. So we used to solve this kind of question if we have x square plus or minus 1 and then x power 4 plus kx square plus 1, then only we can simplify this function, correct? But you know that on the denominator, on the numerator, we have only 1, so you have to replace 1 with something. So can I talk about this thing? Sir, x square plus 1 you need, or you need x square minus 1, correct? You know that if we will add, we will be in trouble. So what you should do, just write down 1 by 2, and if you will add these two things, you will have x square, but you want 1, so subtract these two things, correct? So can I write 1 as this thing? So let's update the question. So we will be having 1 by 2 x square plus 1 minus 1 by 2 x square minus 1 upon same thing x to the power 4 plus 1 dx. Now segregate this one question into two questions. because now you guys are comfortable, hopefully. Okay, so let's break down into question number 1. X square plus 1 upon x power 4 plus 1 dx minus 1 by 2 integration x square minus 1 and then x power 4 plus 1 dx. Now simplify this purple part. I think it is purple only. So you know that the first step is divide by x square. So let's do it. So if you will divide, you will have 1 plus 1 by x square. You will have x square plus 1 by x square dx. Now the yellow thing, 1 by 2 divided by x square, you will be having 1 minus 1 by x square upon x square plus 1 by x square dx. Now to handle purple part, we need to take z as x minus 1 by x, so that dz by dx will become 1 plus 1 by x square. Similarly, to handle yellow part, we have to take, you cannot take z, so I will take y. Okay, we have to create differentiation as 1 minus 1 by x square, so we will be taking x plus 1 by x. So dy by dx will become what? It will become 1 minus 1 by x square, correct? Now let's simplify things. So can I write this purple part as 1 by 2, 1 plus 1 by x square denominator. You have to create 1 by 1 plus 1 by x square, na? So this purple part. So can I write x minus 1 by x whole square and then plus of 2 dx. Now the yellow thing, minus 1 by 2 integration 1 minus 1 by x square dx, and then you will be taking x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2, correct? Now apply the substitution game. So substitution game is what? 1 by 2 integration, we will have dz by z square plus root 2 square, correct? Now for the yellow thing, minus of 1 by 2 integration dy by y square minus root 2 square, correct? Now try to connect. Look at this. This is dx by something square plus or minus something square without root. So if it is without root or with root, we used to connect with the formulas of tan inverse x, means differentiation of tan inverse x, sin inverse x, cos inverse x. So in this part, if you will feel, you guys are comfortable, you guys are not comfortable in this part, correct na? Because in one formula you have x square plus a square and other formula is a square plus a square minus x square minus a square. So in those two things we are not comfortable. Okay, so we will be using log there. So look at this. So here we are comfortable, so we will be using 1 by a. So this is 1 by root 2. Now I will be using this blue color for this. So it is 1 by a means root 2, and then we are comfortable, so tan inverse z by root 2, correct? Now look at the second component, 1 by 2. You know that in this part we guys are not comfortable, correct? So if we are not comfortable, then how we will respond? You have to write 1 by 2a, so 2 root 2. Then 100% we will be using log. and this is a x square minus a square. So you will be writing x square x in the numerator. So y minus root 2 by y plus root 2 mod complete integration constant c. Now just replace z with x minus 1 by x and y with x plus 1 by x. You will get your answer done. Okay. I will do the simplification over here as well. Okay. Here though directly you can, now you guys can digest the fact. Like here direct we have by quadratic. So this is x square minus 1. We want plus or minus and then x power 4 plus kx square plus 1. What is our first step? Our first step is to divide numerator and denominator by x square. So we got 1 minus 1 by x square. Correct? Now we will have x square plus 1 by x square. Now you guys can solve this question by using inspiration of this function. Okay, you can take the inspiration from there and you can handle the question this way. Now look at this question. So this question, you know that if we have quadratic by quadratic, we used to have x square plus or minus 1 and then x power 4 plus kx square plus 1 dx. So in numerator we desperately wanted x square plus or minus 1, but we have only x square. So you have to create this situation. So you have to take help of x square to create this situation. So how we will create? Okay. So sir, what do you want? You want x square plus 1 or you want x square minus 1? I would say yes. But if you will look at this, you will have 2x square. So it is problematic if you will add or subtract. So what we should do? We will multiply by half. Now what do you want? Sir, I want x square. So we have to add both the components. If we will add, we can handle this problem. So look at this. Now you have to replace x square with 1 by 2 x square plus 1, correct, plus 1 by 2 x square minus 1 upon x power 4 plus 1 dx. Now you will segregate this question into two questions. 1 by 2 x square plus 1 by x power 4 plus 1 dx, and the second question is plus 1 by 2 integration x square minus 1 upon x power plus 1 dx. Now to solve this question, you can take inspiration from this question, this. Okay, I hope things are going in good way. Okay, now look at this. This component is so directly you can handle, means x square plus 1 by x power 4 plus 1. So you will be using inspiration from this question, correct? These questions are super connected. I hope you got better understanding about the topic, and from now if you have to encounter quadratic by quadratic, you can solve accordingly. Okay,